Control number 42388, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. I'm Maria Criselda Ocampo. I'm 36 years old. I have 1-year-old son. I have one brother and one sister. I'm the eldest of our family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm a high school graduate from Taliptip National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong for myself and to help my family for their future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I have been in the Middle East for 4 years. I worked there as a domestic helper. My duties there is cleaning the house, vacuuming the floor, tidy up the clothes, washing the clothes, and help my madam to prepare food. I worked also in the Philippines for 2 years to taking care of the newborn baby.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I describe myself for being a hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetable, Italian food like spaghetti and carbonara. I also cook Filipino food like sinigang, menudo, kare-kare, and pancit.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I will talk to my employer to say sorry and to apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a member of their family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Madam, Sir, if you choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to fulfill all my works and I'm willing to learn a new thing from you. Thank you.